Good evening, everyone, and welcome to the channel. So what we have here, it's a setup we have entered earlier today, Euro GBP. Now, this is the daily chart, and what we have is a very nice ABCD pattern. AB equals CD, price has come down to pretty much touch this zone and moved away a decent number of pips, actually. It's been a good opportunity, and it fits the methodology's rules. We are at the low of a second zone of consolidation, and we do expect higher prices. As you can see here, this is the second cycle higher. So that's exactly what our objectives are with this methodology. We're looking to trade in line with the market cycle. And what you're seeing here in this cycle too is you're seeing very subtle lows and lower highs being made, lows and lower highs. But ultimately, all of these candles are, they're all touching here, haven't cleanly broken away. And the fact we have this ABCD structure for me is a very bullish thing. So let's see how it plays out. Thanks for watching.